Frustrated by the XML Provisioning Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before the technical guide for XML Provisioning Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the XML Provisioning Library, the Network Provisioning Service XML library. It manages the parsing of XML-based provisioning files used to configure wireless network settings and localized ISP parameters. Corruption in Xmlprov.dll is a primary cause of wireless network provisioning errors, where the OS fails to automatically configure a new Wi-Fi connection via a carrier's XML profile. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like XML Provisioning Library DLL. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the XML Provisioning Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like XML Provisioning Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on XML Provisioning Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved XML Provisioning Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.